Hello Pisces, Sun Rising at Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot at kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So, first card ni Pisces, we have Archangel Michael. Napakaganda. Trusting Heaven. Sabi dito, you are safe. Angels are stand close. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. So, napakaganda nito. Napakaswerte ninyo and blessed. Kasi Archangel Michael is here for you. You know, ginagaranty ka niya na safe ka. You are safe. You know, huwag ka mag-alala. Kasi yung guardian angels mo lagi nandiyan dyan, kasama mo, katabi mo, pinoprotektahan ka. At sinasamahan ka din ni Archangel Michael to keep you safe. Diba? So, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Surrender all your concerns at yung mga worries ninyo, surrender nyo yan sa divine universe. Okay? And just allow the miracle to occur in your life. So we have the Holy Spirit. Wow, expect miracles. Sabi dito, remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Ayan. So, alam mo, ano to, Pisces, parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na wala ka talagang dapat na ipag-alala. Huwag kang mag-worry about anything kasi everything is being taken care of. The universe and the rest of your spirit team, are sending you miraculous moments or miraculous events to happen in your life. At maaring ito na yung magpapabago ng sitwasyon mo sa buhay. Ito na yung magta-transform ng takbo ng buhay mo, for the better. So, what else we have? Ascension, move into your true self. Okay? Rise above the darkness, the light is here. Okay? Rise above the darkness. Ibig sabihin nito, na you will be able to find solutions to your problems. Diba? You'd be able to see the light of the light at the end of the tunnel na. Kumbaga, masosolve mo na yung mga problema mo. Makakalabas ka na sa mga challenging situations, mga obstacles na maaaring na-encounter ninyo. Sa ngayon, you will find the way out to that. No? So, yun, magpakatotoo ka lang. Okay? It's about time now for you to move into your true self. Be authentic, be honest with yourself. Kung ano yung totoo mo nararamdaman, ano yung totoo mong iniisip, diba? Embrace it. Okay? So, by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay yan sa akin. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto niyo na mag-join sa membership. Okay? Salamat po. So, we have surrender to silence. Sabi dito, in quiet meditation or contemplation, let go and enter the stillness within. Silence can heal and replenish you. Diba? Kaya nga there is so much power in silence. Unang-una na physically, diba? Nakakatulong sa atin when we are in quietude, nakaka-relax, diba? Napapahinga yung katawan natin, nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na mag-heal, yung mga cells natin sa katawan when we are resting, lalo-lalo na when we are sleeping, diba? That's when our body recuperates, when we are sleeping. At spiritually, diba? Ang laking tulong when we are doing meditation or contemplation. Kasi nakakaano ka, tawag dito, nagkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na makausap yung soul mo. When you are quiet, you are allowing your soul to speak. Diba? You are allowing your intuition to speak. Diba? Kaya ang laking tulong din talaga ng silence. So what else? We have surrender negative thinking. You have control over your thoughts. When negative thoughts surface, say thank you for sharing and quickly refocus on positive affirmation. Kontrahin agad ninyo. Kapag merong negative thoughts na pumapasok sa isip ninyo, kontrahin nyo agad, transmute ninyo agad into something positive. And how can you do that? Mas isipin ninyo kung ano yung kabaliktaran ng iniisip ninyo. Diba? Para yung positibo, diba? Yung maiisip ninyo. Focus on positive thoughts at mas isipin ninyo kung ano yung mabuti, 'di ba? Mag-isip kayo ng masaya, 'di ba, na pangyayari para hindi na ninyo maisip yung problema or yung kung ano man negative thoughts na pumapasok sa isip ninyo. Surrender to passion, get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people or activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. Okay? So, yeah, express your passion. Kung nasaan yung passion ninyo, do it. 'Di ba? I-embrace ninyo ito. Kasi malaking tulong din ito, no? Para na, 'di ba, magkaroon ka ng saya, extrang saya, 'di ba? A new level of of excitement, yung ganon. Paminsan-minsan kailangan natin 'yan. So we have surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. No? Pagkaparte to, yung to have fun, tawag dito, to have fun and yung to play, 'di ba? To unwind, parte 'yan, ano? Ah, that's just a few ingredients, no, para sa mas balanced na pamumuhay, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng puro tayo trabaho, hindi naman pwedeng puro tayo responsibilities and obligations lang ang gagawin natin, hindi ba? Kaya when you are also doing some fun, no? You're also engaging in some fun, malaking tulong na yan sa sarili natin. Malaking tulong mo na yan sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Na mabalanse ang lahat. 'Di ba? Magkaroon ng time out from your daily grind, magkaroon kayo ng time out sa mga obligation, responsibilities ninyo, stress, problema, 'di ba? Kaya mahalaga, no, na paminsan-minsan you also have to unwind. You also have to play. Okay? So we have surrender to rest and sleep. Ayan. Samahan mo ng play, ng rest and sleep, surrender to silence. So, talagang siguro it's about time na for you to step back saglit lang sa kung ano ang inyong mga pinagkakaabalahan. Okay? To prevent burnout, slow down. Honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Okay? So, maaari no, na you are on the verge of getting burnout, of being exhausted. Kaya panawagan na ito sa ngayon, no, na slow down, kalma lang, 'di ba? Bigyan mo ng time ang sarili mo talaga na magpahinga, na mag-rejuvenate muna. Okay? So tama 'yan, surrender to silence, surrender to play, and ito, matulog kayo. Kasi tulad ng na-mention ko kanina, when we are sleeping, that's when our body recuperates. Diyan lang bumabawi. Yan ang pagkakataon ng katawan natin na bumawi sa stress ng naranasan ng katawan ninyo, ng sarili ninyo for the day. So, kung araw-araw ganyan at hindi kayo nagre-rejuvenate, hindi kayo nagpapahinga, hindi kayo nakakatulog na maayos. So, just imagine after few days kung ano mararamdaman ninyo. 'Di ba? Na walang kumpletong tulog, walang pahinga. 'Di ba? Lutang. 'Di ba, Pisces? Kaya mahalaga, no, na meron tayong oras para sa lahat, lalo-lalo na merong oras sa pagtulog at sa pagpapahinga. Okay? Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.